How to download Google Form responses. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download Google Form responses. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Google Forms and tap on the first link you see there. You will be led to the official web page of Google Form. Here on the top, you will see the option for sign in. Tap on that and go ahead and sign yourself in at the first place. Once signed in, to download Google Form responses, open an existing form in which you have received responses and now tap on the responses option on the top toolbar and further tap on the three dots beside the View in Sheets option. You will then see the download responses option. Tap on that and with this the responses will be downloaded in CSV format. Extract the zip file and you will get your desired responses. So this is how you can download Google Form responses. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.